Alright, guys. Oh. Damn. Axel, what are we doing? What are we doing on your truck? Tell the viewers.
I don't even know, bro.
I heard ya. Alright, Johnny knows. Johnny, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Okay. So we're doing, I don't know. No. On the real, Axel got some new control arms. He's lifting it. 10-inch slip, right? Yeah, I heard you. He's gonna change the drop. Not really, but he's gonna keep it the same. He got drop control arms. Drops to 3 inches. And he got the struts like mine. So, what was your purpose of doing this, good sir? Tell the viewers.
Just because it's just paper, you know?
Okay. Word. Alright. So, what issue do we have so far right now?
The bolt didn't fit the sleeve.
Axel got the camber bolts right here, and these bolts right here. This. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. I don't know where he has it, but it's one of these, and it was not fitting on the sleeves on the control arms. It has metal sleeves, and it didn't fit, so we had to improvise. So this is what we're doing. We'll get back to you on something new. All right, chat, here we are. Axel setting up the spring loader.
Compressor on that.
Whatever, same thing. Here's a new strut, Beltec. He's finally upgrading. I'm holding it. He left on the 3 rings. He's not gonna lower it. Well, this is not gonna be the lowering. The control arm is the lowering part. So this is gonna be factory. So we'll go from there. Damn.
It's a boy.
What? It's right here.
Oh.
I was holding it the whole time, bro.
Last time we do something.
Alright, my fault.
Go.
Sheesh. All new shock,
Bring the old
Beltec.
one.
Let's go, Johnny.
Yeah, we gotta let them know.
Okay, Axel, why are we putting on the control arm already again? I thought we already had it on.
We put the wrong one.
And then what else?
We put the wrong side, and then we had it upside down. So we thought it went like that over there. You know, like a normal control arm. But then shit wasn't fitting.
Nothing was fitting. The spindle wouldn't go on. The sway bar was hitting the
I don't
control
know why I
arm.
didn't catch that, bro. This is what happens when you're the first people to do it.
Yeah, we had to live and learn because there was no YouTube videos on our trucks.
I was tweaking too, because the bleeder screws were on top for the grease. I was like, why would they put them on top? But now it makes sense because it was upside down.
Now everything should fit.
Oh, look at that, bro.
Yep,
That's
everyone.
actually crazy, guys.
That's why we're here. That's why we're making videos on these trucks. So y'all can learn for
They're going like this, guys.
our mistakes and how dumb we do.
Y'all should have seen us pry this damn strut in. We forced it in.
Oh yeah, we
somehow.
forced it in.
I don't know how we did that, but we made it work the other way. Oh, shrimp.
Nice.
Get off the camera. I need your help.
All right, Mr. Axel, how's everything going so far?
Move.
Look at that.
We're at hour 4. We're finally getting one side done. We should knock out the other one in like an hour.
Heard ya. What took us so long on this one? List everything we had to do.
What's the fucking... Those bolts right here that we got did not fit. They didn't fit the sleeve that was in the control arm.
Oh yeah, so we have this one off now.
They didn't fit this sleeve in here.
Mm.
Not even the OEM bolts that come on the controller.
Mm.
So I just got some different control arm bolts. I don't even know what year those are for.
We went to 3 different stores. No, actually, no, just 2. And then after that, we had the control arm upside down.
That was another waste of time.
But we're getting it done now. We're getting it done. All right, guys, we are on the other side. Look at that. We're starting on it. This side is already completed. Yes, sir. All diddy done. Look at the control arms. Zam, zam, zam. We didn't tighten these yet. We're gonna do that later in a little bit. We're gonna put the other ones on first and tighten the sway bars because they're loose right here, right there. So that's the plan. Sorry, so this should be cake.
Yeah.
All right, 30 minutes. Let's count them down. Boom. Spindle and lower control arm off. For sale, let us know. You heard him. Text him. His Instagram is beep. All right. Make sure you put this one correctly. Don't put it upside down.
Alright.
Boom. The strut is out. Look at that. And the control arm is on,
Correct.
dangling correctly this time, not upside down. So, time to switch these joints. Look at Johnny finally at work. He finally came back. Johnny, where'd you go? Why'd you take so long to come back?
Huh?
Where'd you go? What took you so long to come back?
I go take care of things.
Heard you. Look at that. Struts in. Control arm in. Time to put everything back. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna beat your ass too, damn.
Ah, okay, buddy. Axel, what happened?
Ya pa' que grabas. Ya pa' que grabas. Record your fit, bro. Record your fit,
I
bro.
got my fit on, guys. I got my shoes. I got the hoodie on. I got the pandas, the beaters. I got the jeans from Aeropostale, the hoodie from my job, and that's it. Oh, Armani Exchange glasses, yes sir.
You got a dollar?
$1?
You got a dollar?
I got $1.
Oh, fuck you, bitch ass.
But that's the drip for today. All right, son. What are we doing?
I'm heating up the tire right now because it's seized.
Heard ya.
Damn, that shit feels bad.
Cutting shit, bruh. Sheesh, pa. More cutting. Just like my truck. For the alignment purposes. Sheesh. That's the same. Oh, you did it. Perfect. Exactly the same.
Oh, it did tuck in. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, it
Oh,
did.
it's solid now.
It did tuck it in. Sheesh. Not bad. Sheesh, alignment. Yes, sir. Sheesh, pa. Camber on point now. Straight. Let me get the other side. Sheesh. Not bad, not bad. How do you feel, sir?
Like a race car.
Heard ya. Alright, guys. Pretty much the end of the vlog. We'll catch you on the next one. A little vlog on the new stuff on the trip. Oh. All right, guys. We'll catch you next one. Later.